Hi, glad you dropped in. Today we're going to make something that's sort of exciting if you like Elvis Presley. This is Elvis Presley's banana bread. And of course, you know it has peanut butter. He loves peanut butter. So I should have made it last month because his birthday is of course, in January. He was born in 1935. So, yeah, he'd be pretty old, as we all are. So, I thought I'd make it while I had time today. So let's get started. And I'm going by recipe because there's quite a few things in here, just easy things though. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie seasonings. Okay, that's all we have to do to this. Just mix them up real good here. And it's real funny if you're not to use a mixer with this, which I would have loved. I'd rather do because it's a lot easier. Okay, I have mushed up 4 very ripe bananas. They weren't dark or anything, but they were very ripe. And 2 large eggs. I mean, it has to be good because everything that goes in it's good. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. A half a cup of creamy peanut butter. So that's what I always keep is my creamy peanut butter. I'm a Jif kind of girl. But there are other good peanut butters there. I know that. I've got my oven on 350. Okay, let's see. Bananas, eggs, peanut butter, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1/4 cup of canola oil, and we put our vanilla extract in. Okay. Just mix it up. Okay, now we add it to the dry. Along with a half a cup, 2/3 of a cup of chocolate chips. Hey, everything in here is good. I love peanut butter and banana sandwiches. We were talking one day about people's likes of peanut butter sandwiches, and I had a friend that liked tomato and peanut butter. Of course, pickle and peanut butter is always, people have always liked that one, but I don't think I've ever heard of the tomato. Mayonnaise and peanut butter, heard that one. I guess the world goes around on peanut butter. I can always remember it being in my house, when I was home. And I don't know why, but I got 2 kids that don't like peanut butter. Okie doke. As I've done my pans, sprayed them real good. Let's see what we got here. it said 2 pans, so. I used to make complicated recipes, but you know, the simple ones are just as good, and nobody complains either way at my house. If it yours too, probably. As long as they have a good meal. Well, this is pretty solid. So it takes about 45 minutes for this one because of the texture of it. So stick around. We've got peanut butter and banana bread coming up with Elvis Presley's name on it. Well, our Elvis Presley pans are done. It adds it to exactly 45 minutes. Wow, look pretty. Actually, they smell real good too. Well, anytime you have bananas and something that smells real good. Wow, gee. They didn't raise very much, but I didn't think they would because they were awfully dense. But these are good. I'll cut the end off. That's why I like it, leaving it in too. Oh, yes. See? Yeah. It's really hot. Elvis would have been proud. Yes, excuse me. He certainly would have. That's very, very good. Well, now you have a new way to make banana bread. And just call it Elvis's bread. Well, it was fun. We'll try something new next time. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. See you soon. Bye.